okay? So when you be born here, you wouldn't know that laws ne organ had the age. You wouldn't know. A lot of people sometimes they say that Ghana had the laws doesn't work. So Obi idea Accra, then they'll let the person go, and then money solves everything. But so Abain Kawa, Abain is also more yesterday. One of them say yes, there are laws in the country, and then the laws do work. So you guys know that some time back in June, okay, Akuapem Poloo posted a picture of her and in the back, naked, a naked picture actually, and then it got a lot of people talking about it, that why would you post a naked picture of you and your son? Why would you do this? A lot of people talked about it. If you're nigga, we buy a couple days. She was just behind, like she was totally against it. She was one that even called for her arrest. So you guys know how this whole thing ended. Yes, they arrested her, and then she was slapped with a 90 days in prison, which I almost had to say free Akuapem Poloo campaign united by a lot of people also helped her out. Tonto DK, who was in Nigeria, even helped out. She even pleaded with Ghana and said they should have mercy on Akuapem Poloo and they should release it. Anita Joseph, who is also a Nigerian actress, also condemned her action and said that she does not support what she did. I mean, a lot of people came to help her out. Mercy Johnson, Mr. Easy, now wanted to help her out because of her situation that she was in. Almost started South African campaign and champion yesterday, Yamani Bill. So yesterday she appeared in Accra Circuit Court, okay, of filing saying 90 days no more demand on bed. But the court said the case, it will not happen. They will not. So they've dismissed her. You can't say her petition. Court said unaccepted. They will not accept it. So she has to face her 90 days. I don't know when it will start, whether today or tomorrow, since and then I'm call court, so I'm not sure when she will start serving her term, whether tomorrow, the next day, or maybe next week or something like that. But people are feeling sorry for her because they were thinking that if their court ended the money back channel, if it's over out, she came to apologize and then she stopped doing certain things. So people were expecting that the court would have mercy on her, but the court said there's no mercy for the cripple. So they basically are no CFU. So if people go with 7 and 90-day jail term, yes. So we don't even know what we are saying here. She posted a picture a few minutes after that. She said all her trust is in God. So and the court also said that they can give her son to anybody that would be able to take care of him. So maybe you bet my share but for now, yeah, this is all I have on Akuapem Poloo. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and then I'll be bringing you details on whether say maybe tomorrow, yes, they'll be coming for her to go to prison or something like that. Yes, so whatever that will happen, I'll be here and I'll tell you that. So thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on all social media handles: Xposed DH, Isha Girl, Salima Al Hassan. Like I always say, your comments, your opinions are warmly welcome, guys. See you next time.